Good morning, sir, and welcome to another day of the Video Diary. I'm sorry I'm only talking to you ridiculously late at night, but I have been working literally all day today, and my brain is absolutely frazzled. So I got up today at 8 o'clock after set my alarm for 7:30, just let it through and let it snooze me awake. I was having a dream about something. I can't remember now. It wasn't very interesting at the time though. Whenever I'm having a dream, I try and stay in the dream for as long as possible. Yawny. Yawny. Enter password. Just logging onto my university drive so I can show you what I've been doing today. Because literally from 8 o'clock today, I have been working. To some extent I've been working on that there laptop there, and she has been a little beauty, she has. Good girl. Why am I even doing this in hindsight? I don't need to map my drives if I'm just going to remotely control the desktop in the first... Moron, Jamie. She's been an absolute beauty today. From 8 o'clock onwards, I've basically been sat downstairs. For the first bit of the day, I was kind of watching TV for a little bit, coding, blah, 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 blah. And then I turned the TV off, went to the table, and just coded. Because I knew in the evening I'd be at home. I'd be upstairs even, programming up there, so I thought I'd just program downstairs, it'll be fine. And it was. I programmed for 12 hours with music on in the background and just kind of like concentrating, but every now and again taking like a 10-minute break, blah, 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 blah. Really, I was really proud of myself. And what I managed to do is my Joru calculator to a certain extent. I've got the hardest things out of the way now. There's a couple of things I've still got to do. That's it, he's just hanging out there. But so far, it took me all of today, but I have it running on this. I have it running on this calculator here. Look, you can type in any number, any multiplication you feel necessary to multiply together. There, bang, and it answers it here. And the background changed. Don't worry about the background. That's just me troubleshooting stuff when it didn't work. So I've managed to do any multiplication you possibly want. It's all programmed in. It's all happy. Brilliant sauce. Any combination of multiples and blah 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 blah. And I also nailed down the brackets, which means you can have any kind of bracket system you want. So you can have 7 bracket 3 times by, as long as obviously it's got a multiple in, hasn't got anything else because I haven't programmed the rest yet. 3 times by 2 bracket. Oh, I haven't tried this actually. We'll try this. Watch it, error, because it's on camera. Lol. Will that work? Should do. Equals. Bam! No, it didn't work. Okay, yeah, maybe not everything. Well, that's really freaking annoying. Right, I don't know why it's happening though. I just haven't reinitialised that. Remind me in the morning when I'm watching this through and editing together. I know exactly how to fix that. I'm just not going to fix it now. But any other kind of multiplication, except when you've got 2 brackets next to each other, works absolutely fine and dandy, and it's absolutely brilliant. It took me freaking ages, and I'll load up the code. In fact, I'll just do that thing now while I'm at it. May as well. There we go. Wrote myself a nice little rude message to myself in the morning to fix that issue. I know how to fix it, I just can't be bothered now because I want to go to bed. So basically, yeah, that's what I've done. I've got the brackets running. The only thing that doesn't work is when, at the moment, it's looking for the first bracket and then deleting the last bracket. So when it goes through, it'll do that one and then it's deleting the one previous to it, so it was creating a syntax error in there and it's not good. But basically, after this, the only things that are left in my calculator are the only 2 hard things that are left. 2 hard things that are left are making things negative numbers, and then there's catching all of the errors, like divide by 0, all of that stuff. It's just thinking of them and then coding it so that when that happens it doesn't break, it just does something else instead. So they're the only things I've got to do really, apart from like write the readme file and comment and stuff, because literally like addition, you just copy and paste the multiplication code and change the multiply signs. It's easy as shiz to do stuff like that. So it's literally negatives, exceptions, readme, another file we've got to do to explain how to expand it, and then commenting it, and then it's all done. So hopefully when I wake up in the morning, I'm going to be waking up at 8 again, I think the plan is, and I'm going to sit in bed, and I'm not going to leave bed until I've got this bracket thing sorted and negative numbers sorted, at which point we're going to go to town with lovely to go see The Hobbit, and then we're going to come back, probably do some more work. If it hasn't done by then, we've got all of Sunday, well, most of Sunday, to get it done then. So yeah, and that laptop has been a little trooper, that has. Its battery has literally lasted me like 5 hours. What's your game, Sid? The battery has literally lasted me like 5 hours to run through and run it down, because I'm doing everything server side. It's a dream. It's a dream come true. Save, yes. So yeah, that's the progress on that. It's taken me a very long time to figure out how to do it. I really freaking hate Java, to be honest with you. But we're getting there. We're on the right track. And that's literally all I've done. I did it for 12 hours till about 8 o'clock. Then we had dinner, and then my mind was frazzled. I couldn't do it. I was so bored. My mind, I just couldn't concentrate. So I played a bit of Orcs Must Die and watched some YouTube videos for a bit. Sorted out my own YouTube videos, and then now it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna go to bed. Started early. Hopefully dream up a couple of solutions to the negative problem. Well, it's not really a problem, I just haven't started it yet. It should be easy, really. I only have to. There's only certain situations where it comes into conflict with anything, because otherwise it's just basically a minus number. So the computer will figure out that it's negative itself. But I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to try and dream up some answers to some problems that might arise at some point, and then I'm going to wake up bright and early and code the rest, and then we're going to have a cinema day tomorrow. It's going to be good. It's going to be good fun. Hopefully more fun than today, because today was freaking boring. And bloody stressful as well. Okay, yeah, it's been good. So yeah, let's get it done, eh? Let's get it done. I need to be done. Oh god, yeah, if I get up at 8, I've got about 3 hours to program a negative number and a bracket thing. So, 8 o'clock. Don't oversleep, Jamie. I'll catch you later.